Seeds have become the new superfoods. They not only possess essential nutrients but help lose weight efficiently. Amongst the many seeds, ranging from chia seeds to flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, basil seeds have gained a reputation for helping you shed off those kilos. Basil seeds, or basil seeds, are full of fiber content, which keeps your stomach fuller for longer time, reduces your appetite, further prevent overeating and unnecessary cravings. Basil seeds are most effective when soaked in water and consumed. Since they are hard to chew, adding them into water will make them translucent and soft. It is made by stirring 1/3 cup sugar into 2 cups water. Use less sugar as per your taste preference. Add 1 tablespoon honey and stir. Then add 4 teaspoons of sweet basil seed. Within 2 to 3 minutes the basil seeds expand and look very odd, a bit like tadpoles. We imagine this could be an interesting party drink. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such video. Caution: pregnant ladies and children should avoid eating these seeds. Children could choke on them, if they are not mixed well with water. On the other hand, basil seeds are believed to reduce the levels of estrogen in the body. Make sure you consult a doctor if you are pregnant or suffering from any health condition to avoid any complication.